Guys, welcome back. So today, pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang arrays or array. Okay? Sa Tagalog, array. Array. Okay, tanggalin natin to. Okay. So array is para siyang object na kung saan actually ang short lang ng array para sa akin is ang list. So meaning mga list, for example, may item. Ang item may bread. Tapos may carrots, and then for example my fish last. So to do the array, madali lang. Var, let's say array, rx na lang, arrayx, ayan, and then equal to yung objects is curly bracket. Yung array naman is square bracket. Okay? So, let's say for example, i-add natin tong bread, tapos yung carrots, tapos yung fish. Okay? So, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay? Tanggalin natin to. For reference lang yan. Save. Yan. Fresh. Yan. Arrays. So, i-type natin. Try natin access si rx, array, x. Ayan. So, itong symbol na to, number 3, meaning may tatlong value yung isang array. Okay? So, let's say for example, gusto natin i-access si carrots. Okay? So, kung nakita nyo dito, starting siya nag-count from 0. So, si bread is 0, tapos 1 and 2. So, to access the carrots, all we have to do is to, let's say, i-console log natin siya. Console log. Okay, output natin. Tapos si rx. Ayan. Then, square bracket. Then, yung number. Let's say 1. So, 1. Since si carrots yung gusto natin i-access. Okay, save and refresh. Ayan, so carrots. Let's say, gusto natin access si fish. So, madali lang. Number 2, ayan. Fish. Ayan. Then, what if naman gusto ko i-change si fish, okay, to chicken. So, madali lang. Let's say, for example, var, yung value ni carrots, si fish pala. So, si fish is number 2. Ayan. So, equal to, let's say for example, gusto natin siya i-change into chicken. Okay? Chicken. Ayan. Oops, of course, huwag natin kalimutan single quote or double quote. Save, refresh. And unexpected token kasi may isa ng error natin. Okay, kasi may var tayo dito. So, tanggalin lang natin yan. And save, refresh. And so, si RA2 ngayon, si RX sa ikatatlong number is naging chicken siya. Okay? Tingnan natin ulit. So, try natin i-type si RX. Ayan. So, chicken na siya. So, instead, kanina, na fish. Okay, kahit si fish yung first na in-output niya kasi after nun, nag-run siya sa pinakaulihan, yung rx equal to chicken. Okay, so pwede din naman, for example, array number. So, pwede naman number. As for example, bread ulit. Tapos sa next, pag number nga pala, wala nang single quote or double quote. So, for example, 22. And then, fish. Yan. So, save. So, yan. Oops. May error. Of course, nakalimutan natin si square bracket. Okay. Save, refresh. Ayan. So, kunin natin si array number. Array number. Ayan. So, may yung pangalawang value which is actually number 1. Is 22. So, kung i-access natin yan siya, madali lang. Array, number, yan, 22. Okay? Hindi pala. Number 1, hindi 22. Ayan. Ayan. So, 22 yung number. Thank you for watching. See you sa next na video.